Welcome back, fellow pet enthusiasts, to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the realm of spooky elegance with a product that's sure to enchant both you and your furry friend. Introducing the best Halloween cat scratcher house on the market, the Gothic Cat Bed by Littlesy. Picture this: a cozy den draped in mysterious hues of black and red, with a bat-shaped entry beckoning your feline companion into a world of Gothic comfort. This foldable cat Halloween house stands at 17 by 17 by 12.8 inches, providing ample room for your pet to curl up and embrace their inner darkness.
But wait, there's more.
Not only does this haunted cat house come with a scratch pad to satisfy your cat's natural instincts, but it also includes a spider toy for added entertainment.
And let's not forget the soft cushion, ensuring that your goth cat lounges in luxurious comfort.
Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you have a black cat, a small dog, or even a rabbit with a penchant for the macabre, this Gothic cat bed caters to all, providing a spooky retreat for pets of all kinds.
Worried about assembly? Fear not.
This cat bed Halloween edition is designed with effortless convenience in mind. With easy assembly and storage, you can set up this Gothic masterpiece in no time, allowing your pet to indulge in their nocturnal adventures. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the black cat.
You might be wondering about durability.
Well, rest assured, this Gothic cat condo is built to last. With its sturdy construction and classic design, it seamlessly blends into any space while providing a cozy retreat for your furry friend. So, if you're looking to add a touch of Gothic elegance to your home decor while treating your pet to the ultimate Halloween experience, look no further than the Gothic Cat Bed by Littlesy. Trust me, your pet will thank you for it. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for you and your beloved pets.
Stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations.